What Mrs. Boss brings to our campus is just her energy, her professionalism, her willingness to do anything at any time for anyone. I don't think you'll find a lot of um, people that will just drop what they're doing and just do whatever the school needs.
I think that Ms. Boss is deserving of this recognition is because she is a really good person overall, like to be with and to look up to.
The recognition is excited, and at the same time, I don't like the attention. So I guess I feel like it's paying off. Whatever I'm doing, helping a little bit here, whether it's this morning I went fill the copy paper in all 3 copy machines. So little things like that, or something big like doing an escape room with a math teacher, or, of course, having ELA in here, or having Art come in for research, or whatever the case is. So it made me feel good to see people see it.
She does a tremendous job. She's open at lunchtime for the kids. She's helped tutor kids for math sometimes. She will do whatever we need her to do, and she'll also find stuff. Like, she has the motivation to go out and just find stuff to do. So she is just all hands on deck every day when she comes to school, and we love her for that.
I come in here every day, and sometimes she reads to me. So it's easier for me to take AL tests, and she is really kind.
I love that they want to come in and do crafts or puzzles or read a book, or I will often read with a student, especially one that's reluctant to read. Or I do have math, so I'll always say, remember, I was a math teacher. So when they start getting word about that, they'll come to me sometimes like, I just need help, real quick. So we'll help with math or whatever it is that they need.
Her energy when she comes to work every day is phenomenal, and the events that she plans for kids are great. She also helps us out with our LOFSA grant, so she brings kids to colleges, and the kids love her for that.
One thing that sets Ms. Boss apart is that she is active in many different grants. One where students actually get to travel to different colleges. And one neat thing that I learned while I was on one of those field trips is that a student came and told me, I really didn't think I was ever going to go to college, but after going on this field trip, now I really want to.